Every household needs to deal with rubbish removal every day. Some use bins while others hire rubbish removal services, like a company. Whether it's waste from commercial establishments or residential properties, getting rid of your garbage properly is essential. Unfortunately, there are still people who forget or even neglect its importance, which could lead to a lot of problems. Effects of improper rubbish removal. Why is proper waste disposal necessary? Here's a list of the effects of improper rubbish removal. Climate change. Improper rubbish removal contributes to climate change. Waste that starts to decompose gives off gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. These are referred to as greenhouse gases, which are included in the list of reasons causing the extreme change in weather conditions in different parts of the world. From too much heat to strong typhoons, people across the globe are experiencing the effects of climate change. Attracts pests. Rats, cockroaches, and mosquitoes are only a few of the most common pests attracted to garbage. They are all known to carry life-threatening diseases. Rats are carriers of salmonellosis and leptospirosis, while mosquitoes carry dengue and malaria. If you don't recycle your rubbish correctly, you'll attract these pests to your home. Death to marine animals. When your garbage is improperly disposed of, it could reach the ocean. When that happens, marine life suffers. Various reports have shown that marine animals die after consuming cigarette butts and styrofoam. Toxins from garbage seep into the soil and are eventually picked up by plants nearby. When that happens, animals that eat grass near contaminated areas, like landfills, are at risk of getting poisoned. Health problems for humans. If waste is improperly disposed of, the health of those close to landfills and similar areas will be at risk. They may suffer from health problems, such as reproductive, respiratory, blood, growth, and even skin rashes. Contaminated drinking water. As previously mentioned, toxins from garbage will seep into the ground and eventually reach different bodies of water. Marine life will be at risk if untreated sewage reaches its habitat, and contaminated water can kill fish and other sea creatures. Even humans can be at risk if they consume contaminated seafood. Harm plants. Waste, when not disposed of properly, can harm plants. The toxic chemicals will leach into the soil and kill trees and other nearby vegetation. It may also cause health problems, not only to humans, but to land animals, too. Negative impact on economy. Did you know that improper rubbish removal will also have a negative effect on the economy? Most products sold these days are made using raw materials and energy. So, what happens to those products when they are thrown away? Waste management means more expenses for the local government. They need money to build the appropriate infrastructure to collect, sort and recycle. When people don't get rid of their trash properly, they pressure the government to invest in facilities that take care of the garbage. Aside from that, landfills are an eyesore. If your area isn't well maintained and filled with trash everywhere, nobody would want to visit your city, which translates to losses within the tourism industry. Hire rubbish removal services from a company that you can trust. Our team makes sure that your trash is removed correctly. We adhere to the rules and regulations imposed by the local government when it comes to trash removal. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on ways to make cleaning faster and enjoyable. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208884949 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.